Alright, what's going on, guys? Today you will be doing the manipulating variables quiz. So the first question is, what does the following code do? So you have 8, and then you have the 8. So it's basically comparing this 8 to this 8. It's saying it's less than or equal to, which it's equal to, so it's going to go ahead and print true. Okay. After the following code is run, what value will the variable endpoint be assigned to? Now remember, the modulus basically finds out what the remainder is. So in this case, 3 goes into 11 3 times, and you get 2 back. Perfect. Okay. Which operator can be used to concatenate two strings? Now remember, concatenate is adding together two strings, so it's going to be this one. The plus sign will create a new combined string from two strings. Okay, what is the best way to tell if the following two strings are equal? So the best way to tell is using one method. Is the dot equals. So right here, the dot equals, you can tell if it's the same or not. To what value does the following string concatenation evaluate to? It's going to say it's 5 p.m., right? Because you have the 5 p.m., yep. So it's going to be, it's 5 p.m. Yep. Okay. The expression 5 does not equal 6 will evaluate to what value? So 5 does not equal 6. That is true, so the whole thing will be true. Next, how could we get a result of 10 given the following variable? So we want a result of 10 essentially. So we can do a divided a mod 10. No, that would just give us 2. A minus 12, that would give us negative 10, close. A times 5, so 2 times 5 is 10, correct. And then 2 divided by 2 is just 1, so this one. Okay, true or false? The value of a variable declared with the final keyword can be changed after its initial declaration. False, because the final keyword makes it so the variable declared cannot be changed ever again. Okay, are there any errors in this Java statement? Nope. There should always be a semicolon. I don't know what this one's talking about. Okay, and there are no errors. Well, I see one error. The int should be a car. Well, it's not holding a character. The int should be a boolean. Yes, because this is comparing if it's true or false. So it's going to be a boolean, correct? Okay, what will the following program output? So if we look here, we have num is equal to 12, and the num gets multiplied by 2, which makes it 24. Then you subtract 4 from 24, which is 20. Then you add 1, remember, because of the increment, which would make it 21. Yep, correct. The num is multiplied by 2, 4 was subtracted, and then you increase it by 1, print it out, you get 21. Alright, that is going to end this video. See you guys in the next one. And yeah.